Hi. No free clout. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello. My name is Lauren, and today we're letting my boyfriend bleach my hair. The reason why I'm letting my boyfriend bleach my hair is because I can't exactly get all this stuff myself, so I kind of need someone I trust, and I live with him, so we're not bleaching my entire head, we're actually just bleaching the roots because they are pretty dark. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Yeah. Oh yeah, and just in case my boyfriend does mess up, I actually don't have a stylist here in Virginia. I'm originally from California, and of course I had someone who could do my hair perfectly over there just as soon as I leave. I will show you what exactly I got from the beauty supply store too. Brad Mondo, if you're watching this, hi. Okay, so what I got, first thing I was looking for is actually the toner, because I feel like that's the hardest part, is just finding a color that you already have in your hair to match or blend in. I only took one photo of my hair when I first got it, the color that I thought I needed. And along with that, of course, I got 2 brushes, one normal one and then one with a pick, so that way my boyfriend can actually like weave in and out of my roots. Next thing that I got was actually 2 bowls, one for the toner, one for the bleach. Originally, the lady had recommended to use the Quick Blue, and as soon as I saw that and heard that, I already heard Brad Mondo saying don't use that, so I was like, next. And she recommended this. She was trying to insist on getting the Quick Blue. I said no. 35 volume developer, powder lightener. And lastly, for the toner, I got 20 volume developer. I thought my safest bet was to go 20 because I heard so many different things when it comes to volume developer. Like I've heard 40 is like a bad number. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just trying to play it safe. I hope I show my boyfriend and how to do it correctly, or try to explain it the best as I can to him. The way that I have it planned in my head should be basically foolproof for my boyfriend. So it's all gonna just be technique from here, because I will be the one who's gonna portion out everything. I will be the one telling him what brush to use, when to use it, how to use it. Hopefully he understands that, he gets what I'm trying to convey, and it turns out decent. Once again, I completely forgot to do an outro the same day that everything was done. But this is my hair. And it does definitely look better now than it did before. At least when the first time we toned it. That was really bad. I do have to give props to my boyfriend for not missing a single spot with the bleach. I haven't found any patchy areas. My cousin's cousin told me to go back to the beauty supply store and to buy Chi liquid. There was 2 colors that she wanted me to get. I ended up going one up because I thought one of them was too dark, and I was probably wrong for that. So you can't really tell from here, but it does look a little bit orange. I had spent 30 minutes today with Fanola blue toner in my hair to make it less orange or less brassy. The blue did nothing to my orange. The orange is still orange. I mean, you can still kind of see the difference, but it's much better than the first go around with the toner, which did nothing to my hair. It's not patchy, but you can see the difference in color. I know he did try to blend it in. And then down here, I just took a shower, so my hair is like really frizzy. I mean, it's frizzy in general, but down here it looks a little bit more, you know, gray, but it's still a little bit wet, so I guess I can't exactly tell, but it's not completely orange like, you know, up here. None of this is my boyfriend's fault. It's mainly mine for the colors that I chose. So props to my boyfriend for not messing up my hair. It's mainly my fault when it comes to the color part because I chose that, I mixed it. So thank you for my boyfriend for not giving me patchy areas. Thank you for letting me look good still, since he has to be the one that looks at me. Thank you guys for watching. Brad Mondo, if you're watching this, hi, I'm sorry. And if you guys like this, go ahead and click the like button below. If you guys want to go ahead and support me and subscribe to me, you can also click a button below, you know, there too. And yes, thank you for watching and see you next time.